There was a flower named Fiona. She played the flute in Arizona. Her biggest fan is Farmer Fred, who plays the fiddle beaver bed. Shay the snake simply cannot eat if salt is missing in his meat. Shay the snake simply cannot eat if salt is missing in his meat. Turtle Tina takes too long dialing with the telephone. Yee-haw, yee-haw. Turtle Tina takes too long dialing with the telephone. Yee-haw, yee-haw. Vampire Vince had a very nice voice, but on stage his throat got tied. Feeling his nerves, I said, alright, a violin to help this boy win. Zoe's Zumba class is new, it is happening at the zoo. Zebras dancing like they're crazy, but the pandas are too lazy. Quack, roar. But the pandas are too lazy. Quack, roar. But the pandas are too lazy. Zoe's Zumba class is new, it is happening at the zoo. Zebras dancing like they're crazy, but the pandas are too lazy. Quack, roar. But the pandas are too lazy. Quack, roar. But the pandas are too lazy.